Friends, hello. It is another day in the market that's not giving us much return here. But talking about a stock that I've taken a lot of hate from, I've stuck by its side. I've told people don't put it down, don't put it out yet. The more I defend it, the more hate I get from it. But it's Rolls-Royce, the aviation sector of the company. So I don't know what people know here. I haven't talked about Rolls-Royce in quite a minute here, especially the last few months. But, to get people up to date, what happened all last year, Rolls-Royce in general got hit hard during COVID. I mean, they went from layoffs, stopping projects. They almost went out of business. I mean, it was bad as it could get besides them going out of business. Now, the past year and a half, 2 years, maybe, Rolls-Royce has been trying to, regain its lost ground here. Starting up projects again, getting new contracts. Last year, they came out with this big announcement that they are going to be building these big football-sized power plants in Europe to help, the next generation with power. It's a long project, and now we keep seeing bigger and better deals come in here with them. So it's a lot of positive news, and they have been upgraded to a buy from a lot of analysts here. So I know a lot of you you've been just buying and buying Rolls-Royce, and I've always had the suspicion that Rolls-Royce, it's not going to go out of business. It could get bought. I highly doubt, because it would take a astronomical price for another company to buy them. And Rolls-Royce do a lot of business. I mean, they sell and fix a lot of engines for aircraft. But in October, we saw the stock go to under 80 cents. And, a lot of us were flipping out because we were like, oh my gosh, are we really going to be talking about a reverse split here if Rolls-Royce stays under $1 here? Like, is this really going to happen to Rolls-Royce? It's happened to all these other companies, and it's devastating. So it was a huge gamble to go all in right there, or just to say, you know what, too many stocks are getting hit right now with reverse splits, with going under, and a lot of people just got scared. They walked away from Rolls-Royce, and I think a lot of you may have stayed in there and just kept buying. And if you did, well, you're seeing, good numbers now. Congratulations. So Rolls-Royce is high as it's been now in well over 6 months. The big question now is, where does Rolls-Royce go from this point on? So like I said, we know that Rolls-Royce has a lot of new deals it's unveiling here. It's a lot's going on. And for the first time in years, we're actually seeing analysts saying you may need to pay attention to Rolls-Royce now. It looks like things are back up and running. They've got their focus back. They've got their people back. They've got money coming in again. Things are starting to get back to normal here. Now, Rolls-Royce has never been one of these companies that has like a crazy stock number here. Before the pandemic, Rolls-Royce was sitting at around like $8-10. It was just it was known as a sturdy, hardy stock that, just was there, and was kind of before COVID playing around in this, space realm, and still they are making an aircraft that goes into low orbit. So, friends, I'm going to stand by my guns here. The same thing I've been preaching for 2 years now, even when COVID was going on, that, I like Rolls-Royce. I stand by this company that I think one day it's going to come back. It's going to come back with a vengeance. I don't know when. We're still trying to get stocks back now that should be back, and they're just not. We definitely do not have a strong supportive market for Europe or North America. And it's just really one of those things right now where you have to go, okay, I trust the history. I trust the situation of the company, its numbers, where it's going, and its production into the future. But like I've preached a million times, and I'm not going to sit on this for long, I do not expect the stock market to give anything this year, anything good. I think the market is going to be trashed all year. If it doesn't get worse, it's just going to stay the same. There's no reason for the stock market, anyone's stock market, to rebound and be good this year. It's not going to happen. There's no way. There's no good news anytime soon. Things are expensive. Rates are out of control. Housing market is not looking great. And majority of people are broke. And guess what? Majority of people are not buying stocks. So things are just on a low right now. check out Rolls-Royce, read up on Rolls-Royce. I'm just giving my opinion here, what's going on with the company. I'm really proud of the stock that, it's only sitting at $1.23 right now, but still, this stock, this company has been through a lot of mess. And I think that if they made it through all this crap, they shouldn't make it the rest of the way. It seems to be that it's went through the hardest part, and now maybe we could be seeing it trying to come back here. Possibly. I hope so. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish everyone the best of luck. And friends, I will talk to you soon. Bye everyone.